AI is reshaping industries. Edge is where intelligence becomes action, and real impact happens only when AI reaches the field. Edge computing brings intelligence closer to machines, to operations, to the moment decisions must be made, real-time, on-site, without compromise. At Advantech, edge computing is not just a component, it is the foundation for everything else we build. Built on this foundation, WISE powers industrial AI transformation. At its core is WEDA, our developer architecture for flexible development, cross-chip deployment, and scalable implementation. Together, they enable the full industrial AI loop, bringing edge intelligence into robotics and machines that sense, simulate, decide, and act across industrial environments. Across manufacturing, energy, transportation, healthcare, retail, and smart cities. Edge AI brings intelligence into operations, enhancing precision, efficiency, resilience, and automation while turning data into real-world action. With our partner ecosystem, we expand these capabilities into deployable solutions across the industries we serve. Advantech Edge Computing and AI-powered WISE solutions.